So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to monetize your Instagram followers so you can start making money. So it's really simple. Just put the link in your bio, letting people download games, dating app, exercise app, all these different kind of app, then you can start making money. So how to do that? Let's dive in. Welcome back, guys. So before we start, I want to make sure that you understand that before you start this method, you need at least 5,000 followers on your page. Why? First, because if you start with under 5,000 followers, this is going to hurt your Instagram reach. Every promotion on Instagram is going to hurt your reach, and I don't want to see that. So this is why I always recommend, if you want to promote anything on your page, at least 5,000 followers. And second, with this website, you can only apply when you got over 5,000 followers. So you got no choice. You have to grow your page first. If your page is under 5,000 followers, then post this video, go up to my channel. I have tons of videos showing you how to grow your Instagram page. Okay? So right now that the people that still stay on this video, that I assume that you are over 5,000 followers and you want to know how to make money for your Instagram page. Then let's dive into my computer. I'm going to show you the website and start making money today. So the website is called The Plug, as you can see from my screen. And this is the combination of all different kind of application. So all you need to do is just letting people to download all different kind of application from your link, from your referral link, so you can start making money. You can see if people download this app, you can get $1.68 for this app. So just imagine if 100 people download this app, then you can get at least $100. So this is why you can make easy money on this website. And people don't have to pay for anything. All they need to do is just using your referral link and download the app, then you can start making money. This is really a nice way to make money on your Instagram page. So right now you can see this website also gives you the video ad that you can post on your reels, and they're also showing you how much money that you can get with each app, with all different kind of each app. So you can do is you can just download the video and post on your page. But this is way I don't recommend. I will recommend to do a different way. Just wait for a few seconds. I'm going to show you right now. So right now, let's jump onto my Instagram page. And as you can see, this is my Instagram page, Basketball 545. And when you click on the bio, you can see the plug app that gives you a combination that you can put all different kind of app and letting people to download. So you can make even more money. So you can see my page is about basketball, so everything is about basketball. So I put download NBA 2K on this page and letting people to download, and this is really good because each people download this game, NBA 2K games, I can get $2. So if you are really want to play this game, then please use my referral link and download this game so I can make some money. Okay, so if you want to do is you can also using inside the plug app, they can give you a website like this. Then you can do a combination about your niche. Always remember to promote the app that is related to your page, so people will be interested to download the app, and you can start making the maximum of your money. Okay, so now you know how to make money on the plug app. Then the next step that you need to do is you need to go up to outside the plug app to download video ad. Don't use the ad inside the plug because it's already saturated and it's really hard to get a lot of reach. So what I do is I will go up to Instagram. Let me show you what like. I will go up to Instagram. I will type in the search bar, type in the related video that is related to the app that you want people to download. For example, I'm letting people to download the NBA 2K game. So I will go to NBA 2K page and download the video, download the reels on this page and repost on my page. So this is already related to the NBA 2K game, so people will watch the video, and thus it's going to be much easier to going viral. And once this video going viral on my page, then there will be more people to see inside the caption I'm telling people to download the game, and they will go up to my bio to download the game so I can make money. So it's just really simple as that. Always using other people's content. Don't use the video ad that inside the app. Otherwise, that is really saturated. It's not working so well for your page. Okay, so at the end, if you want to try the app, you want to try this website to make some money, then you can use the link I will leave inside the comment section and also the description. So you can use the link to join the app, and you can also, I think that you can get some extra money on. You can get some money on the first sign up. I'm not sure about how much is it, but just use my referral link and you can make some good money on the app. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I hope you like today's video. And if you have any question, you are always welcome to leave inside the comment section. I will reply to each and every one. And also turn on the notification bell and smash the like button if you got value out of today's video, and also subscribe to this YouTube channel. And I'm Johnson Lin. I will see you in the next video. See you. Bye.